Health and Human Services, HHS, Director Kennedy defends the new vaccine guidelines, claiming that there were no randomized controlled trials, RCTs, with a saline placebo before the COVID-19 vaccine approval. CNN reports that despite Kennedy's claims, vaccines have been tested in placebo-controlled studies. CNN supported their position with a novel crowdsourced spreadsheet rather than peer-reviewed research. The Open Contribution Spreadsheet lists 258 claimed randomized controlled trials chosen based on a few ground rules. The article highlights a spreadsheet claiming 258 RCTs involving placebos for vaccines. Dr. Jonathan Howard criticizes Kennedy's statements about vaccine testing. It also references a 2014 exchange with HHS, where Kennedy requested evidence of placebo trials. CNN uses a crowdsourced compilation to challenge Kennedy's narrative, asserting that vaccines have undergone randomized placebo-controlled trials. This disputes Kennedy's claims about the lack of such trials. Random-controlled studies are the gold standard in clinical trials, minimizing group differences. They are expensive and time-consuming, often used when no effective treatment exists, with ethical considerations in play. However, the ethical issue of providing an inert substance to the control group rather than a comparative, a different vaccine, is ethical when no comparative vaccine is available for a new virus. Kennedy claimed that no saline placebo studies exist. Kennedy was criticized for advocating inert, saline, placebo studies as unethical. However, new viruses like COVID-19 are ethically tested against saline when no other vaccines are available, and the spreadsheet contained more than 100 studies using saline. The spreadsheet claims 127 of 258 RCTs used inert placebos, contradicting Kennedy, but undermining his ethics critics. The spreadsheet lacks rigorous protocol and peer review, relying on crowdsourcing without validated conclusions. RCT standards include justified interventions, accurate methodologies, and appropriate result interpretations. These ensure trials meet high-quality research standards, crucial for reliable outcomes. Kennedy claims childhood vaccines weren't tested in double-blind RCTs. CNN rebuts with a spreadsheet listing 258 RCTs involving placebos, challenging the accuracy of Kennedy's statements. Childhood vaccine. RCTs with inert placebos are rare. Many trials use active comparators. COVID-19 vaccines like Pfizer and Moderna used saline placebos, though these were unblinded within months. The spreadsheet lacks vetting and official review, making it an unreliable basis for quality assessment. Some entries include observational studies, not meeting rigorous RCT definitions. RFK Jr.'s claims are mostly accurate but overstated. CNN's framing highlights valid ethics but omits RFK's goal for high-quality studies. Trial designs reflect a balance between rigor and real-world ethics.